So, my comic section over the last week or so has been about the Honor Magic V3. And I did not realize, by the way, shout out to 95 Google and Ben Schoon for posting this. I'll have link down below in the description. His name, his social links if you'd like to check him out. Check out any article he has. I'll also have the link down below to the actual article if you'd like to check it out. But anyway, though, he posted this article right here about how thin this phone is. And even with the Z Fold 6 coming out, right, which is 12.1 millimeters thick, very similar, exactly the same as the Pixel Fold, which I have to think that Samsung did that for a reason. Obviously, they did it. It's not like they were like, oh, let's make it just as thin as the Pixel Fold. But it just seems oddly exact when it comes to that. But anyway, OnePlus Open and the Oppo Find N3. Well, OnePlus Open is the Find N3, but 11.7 millimeters. So all three of these cell phones, again, keep in mind, this is the same cell phone, guy. It's just rebranded. All three of these cell phones are thicker than this cell phone right here, which is 9.2 millimeters. And I feel like moving forward, this is the next upgrade. I got a comment down below. Someone asked me, when do I think they're going to upgrade the battery next? Or do a huge battery upgrade on the Z Fold devices? And I still believe the Z Fold 7, that is the upgrade. Like Z Fold 7, if you're waiting for a non-ultra variant, which is going to cost you an arm and a leg, then you want to wait for the Z Fold 7. That's going to be the big upgrade when it comes to battery. That's going to be a big upgrade when it comes to everything. So, with that being said, like, obviously it would be almost impossible to get this phone, the Magic V, what's it called? The Honor Magic V3, because is it just released in China? Is Honor has already started selling the device in China alongside more affordable 9.8 millimeter VS3, which directly converts to $1,400 USD. That's likely won't be directly reflected to international pricing, though, as Honor V2 is $1,700 in UK. Okay. And obviously UK is a little bit different than US as well. We'll likely see its international debut later this year, but highly unlikely the foldable phone will be sold in America. So it's going to get an international drop. It's just not going to get an America drop, which makes sense because it's hard. It's really hard as a Chinese company to sell in America. And it's because a couple things. The taxes, there's tariffs on it, and it's also, again, if you are going to be able to actually move enough products to be able to sell in America. There's a lot of people who would buy this in America. $1,400 foldable cell phone? Yeah, plenty, yes. I know Huawei, I believe, is banned in America, so they can't sell anyway, so they're not selling in America as kind of that. But this is insane, man. This phone is crazy. Up to a 5,000 milliamp battery in Magic V3. The 33 packs a 5150 battery using the company's increasing battery tech. Yeah. It's wish this was a international product. Again, it will be a lot easier though once it does become more international, as in it does release in the UK, which is going to be a little bit easier to get it, in the States if you want it. But again, as you saw the price hype, the price is going to be crazy. And one thing I learned about these Chinese cell phones is when you do buy them, usually what ends up happening is they're really freaking expensive, way more than an MSRP, because people jack up the prices because it's scalpers. People buy them in China, resell them on third-party websites, and they go crazy with that. So that's usually why they're way more expensive than they should be. But with that being said, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys in the next one.